have factory team behind me and the bikes is amazing. I can say like to be factory rider, it was always my dream. And about Husqvarna, I was here a lot when I was like a kid, you know, many champions with this bike, and when I have possibility to ride this bike, for sure I was like really happy. And you know, it's really good team, it's like a family. Yeah, everybody is motivated, and I think we work on a good way. You know, to be factory riders, it's always nice, but yeah, for this year, Husqvarna built a new bike, so it's really something special for me.
It's exciting to be a Husqvarna factory rider over here in Europe, because basically it was such a big brand back in the day, and people are excited about the new bike. And also Husqvarna is really big in Australia, so I think it's cool to have an Australian rider represent their brand as well, because it's a big part of their market. So it's a big thing. It's a new bike, and it's exciting to be one of the riders showing it off.
Having the factory behind you, backing you full time is, you know, is unpriceable. You know, definitely looking forward to having a great year, and I think not just myself, but all the other factory riders on Husqvarna are looking forward to, you know, having a good year. We've got great bikes, and you know, it looks like everyone's been putting the work in, so you know, it's time to go racing.